So what's going on, YouTubers? How are you doing? I am Mike C, as you can see, and what I'm going to do in this video is I'm actually going to show you how you can upload a video to YouTube and actually take the content and the audio off of it for free. So instead of paying for a transcriber to actually transcribe your work, which I would say I was in a webinar probably about maybe 6 or 7 months ago, and the guy was saying that he was paying maybe like $1,000 or so to actually get his videos transcribed. But actually, all you have to do is go to YouTube and upload a video, and then you can actually transcribe it for free. And actually, what I'm getting ready to do is actually show you guys how to do that now. So check this video out. Let me share my screen with you right here, right now. So hope you guys are doing fine today. Hope everything is going good, and you should be able to see my screen now, which I hope you can. And if you look right here, this is actually my channel. Yep. So you guys can see my screen now. And as you can see, this is my channel. And if you don't know who I am or what I do, you can see it right here on my channel. So that's another thing. If you guys do have a channel, if you are actually getting ready to run a channel, if you're going to do anything on YouTube, make sure everybody knows who you are. So right here it says I am affiliate marketer. What that means is I actually sell products for other people and I get paid. There's easy ways you can do that. If you want to know more about that, just check out a couple of my videos on YouTube, and or either just reach out to me and you will get information on that. I'm also a digital marketer. What that means is I take social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok even, and also obviously what you're on right now, YouTube. And I use strategies to generate leads and sales to different businesses. And if you don't have a business, let me know, because I have a ton of products that you can promote for free that are actually converting, people that are actually buying. One product is actually selling 900 people. You'll see the link right here in the video. There's just look up top, there's an eye. You can click on that eye. 900 people have actually already been successful. 900 plus people. It's probably like 1,000 or so people now that have actually made money online. And then also I'm a networker of entrepreneurs. And what I do is actually you can check right here where actually you can check these playlists, and you can see right here where I actually interview successful entrepreneurs and digital marketers that you can learn. I mean, you can learn their information, what they did to scale their businesses, how they started from $0 and increased their proceeds to thousands and millions. Actually, what I'm going to do now is show you guys how you upload a video to YouTube, which exactly you can just go to. If you have a channel, it's easy to create a channel. You can just Google that. Actually, I know you have a Google account. If you have a Google account, actually all you have to do is integrate it to your YouTube account, and then you just create a channel. So once you create a channel, you can go to any page, pretty much. I think even if you're on YouTube, let me check to see if you can do it from YouTube itself. And actually, yeah. So once you're on YouTube, if you have a channel, you can actually just click this. Actually, it's a camera right here. Click the plus camera and just click upload. And then obviously you will see it'll come to a screen like this, and then obviously you select files. I don't want you guys to see all of my files on my computer, so I'm not going to hit that. But if you select files, it'll actually open up your computer, and you can actually just upload the video, and then YouTube will populate it, process it, and all that stuff. And then you'll actually be led to a video like this. Actually, this is a video right here, which obviously you guys can see the transcript on there, but this is a video where I interviewed actually Anthony Morrison, which you will see the link up here in the top. You can click on that, and it will lead you to the video. If you don't know who Anthony Morrison is, actually that's one of the products that I'm actually promoting. That is the exact system that a lot of people use to generate sales online. Over 900 people have actually jumped into this program, which is less than $10 a month. And I think they're running a special now as well, where you can just get in. You don't have to worry about paying a monthly fee or anything like that. You just pay one time, and then you get access to a program where it actually teaches you how to start your own business, how to start an online business, how to generate sales, how to generate leads, how to use YouTube and Facebook to generate ads and everything like that. It also teaches you copy. He has an expert copywriter come in and actually teaches you how he writes copy to convert new users or new people into sales. But actually right here, this is just an interview, and I said you can check out the interview, clicking the link above. But all you have to do is, if you are wanting to actually take the audio for any video that you have to, that you're going to use, and you can actually just click this. Obviously, once you click the video, you'll go to the video, pull up the video, whichever video you want to see. You click the gear icon right here. And well, actually, first, actually, you don't even have to click this. There's a gear icon is actually telling you autoplay and annotations, playback speed, subtitles, and everything like that. So if you can see, you can actually change the subtitles on here. So I had nothing to do with this. I know a lot of people take their videos, they plug it into editor systems and all that stuff, and they make actually, what they do is they actually take the video itself, and they actually pretty much, copy and type out, they transcribe their own videos or have somebody else do it, and they put it on the actual video. But if you use YouTube, which is another thing that YouTube has that Facebook doesn't, and Instagram does it, you upload a video. Actually, Facebook does have it, but it's not as accurate, I think, as YouTube. But if you take a video on YouTube, you upload it, it'll automatically generate subtitles for you. So I didn't put any of these subtitles in or anything like that. And you can obviously, if you go to subtitles, hit options, you can change the view, the colors, and all that stuff. But we're not going to get into that now. Actually, I just want to show you guys how to take a transcription of the video itself, any video that you have. So just click these closed captions here, and then obviously you can see that the closed captions are on here. It says, then I eliminate the need for an email to yada yada. So if you see that, if you click the closed caption, you know that YouTube has actually generated the closed captions for you, and then they're actually on the video. But then what you want to do right now is actually click these three dots right here, hit open transcript, and obviously you have a transcript of your video. And then actually what you want to do is, if you want this off, I mean, obviously, yeah, I mean, it's not going to be accurate, but at least you don't have to copy the video word for word. I mean, that can take hours, or it can take a lot of money for somebody else to do it, but you have it right here. So all you have to do is take this and you copy and paste the whole interview video. Obviously, I'm not going to do all that, and you just hit copy. You take this, the copy, either put it in, a text format, put it in Word or something like that, and you can save it, do whatever you want to with it. You can generate content, all kind of stuff like that. You go check out Gary Vee's video. He actually talks about how you can just reproduce content and everything like that, which a lot of other people have said that as well. So if you take that and you copy paste it, now you actually have a content, you actually have a transcription of the video. You didn't have to pay anybody, and only took you seconds to do it, other than creating the video, uploading it to YouTube, and then going and doing that. But after all the pre-production is done and you've uploaded it to YouTube and everything like that, get it on your channel, and you have a transcript of your video. And then if you're worried about, as far as people seeing your video, maybe you don't want everybody to see your video, then all you have to do is unlist the video where you only have access to the video, or you can just make the video private. With an unlisted video, you actually can, if you send somebody the link, they can view it. But with a private video, only you can view it on your channel. So if you don't want anybody to see it, then obviously make it private. And then you can obviously do the same thing as I just showed you here. So if you like this content, if you like the video, go ahead, hit a like in the thumbs up or thumbs down. I mean, it doesn't matter to me. If the content wasn't good, hit the thumbs down. Content was good, hit the thumbs up. But then still, if you hit the thumbs up, then obviously you like my content, you like, this video, you like the stuff that I'm putting out. So show me some support and go to my YouTube channel and actually hit the subscribe button and the bell. That way you will be updated on every video that I can, that I give you, that I produce, that I put out. That way you can get more content and you can build your business and you can grow your business. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.